to use Sonos Connect Amp as surround speakers. Normally, Sonos configuration is quite simple, but this one is a bit tricky. So reach the Sonos application on your smartphone, go on More, then Settings, and About My Sonos. Now what we want to do is to add a Connect Amp as surround speaker on the playbar or playbase. So find your playbar or playbase on this sheet. Note that at this point, you must already have configured your playbar and your Connect Amp. If you need help with that, you can follow the video on the upper right corner. So once you find your playbar or playbase, look under it to find its IP address. As you can see, here is the playbar and its IP address. In my case, it's 192.168.2.16. You have to remember this. Now, open a Google Chrome window on your phone or computer, and you will have to type this in the address field. I will leave the link in the description if you want to copy it. Replace the pound by the IP address you just found. You will reach this page, which is from the playbar. Make sure you follow the instruction just over here. Yes, the first point is very important. Both playbar and Connect Amp have to be hardwired to a router, a switch, or between each other. Then, at the point 2, select the Connect Amp you want to act as a surround speaker. Then select the approximative distance between the speaker and the listening position. Finally, hit the Complete Setup button. Now if you come back on the Sonos application, you'll see that the room corresponding to the Connect Amp will have vanished. This is because she is now a part of your playbar room. I recommend to make final adjustment by going in More, Settings, Room Settings, then the room in question. Hit Advanced Audio and Surround Settings. I like to set the music level to maximum and hit Full. Otherwise, when you listen music, surround speaker won't play as loud as the playbar. And now, enjoy your new cinema. So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please make a thumbs up. If you have any question, please ask in the comment below. I may simply answer you or even maybe make a video just for you. So don't forget to subscribe, and what you do see back there, it's from my main channel, so please come take a look at this right there. Thank you for watching again. See ya!